today at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe. Yes, this is a true XR7. As a 93 in the bin. Be the code for the XR7 Coupe. Speaking of codes, paint code 6P. So this would be the original color. This would have came from Mercury back in 78. Cream. Underneath the hood, 351 powered V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold, so nicely equipped as most of these XR7s would have been back in the day. Let's take a look at the headlight, surrounds, grille, bumper. Check out the condition those are in. Show very well. This paint has been redone 15 years ago approximately, so one repaint on this car. To the original color, of course. 351 is paired up with an automatic transmission. Now, according to the gentleman that brought this to us to consign and represent for him to sell, he believes he's a second owner. Also believed to be original miles, and judging by the engine, the underside, I would have to agree with him, and I'll get into that a little bit more when we open the hood, take a look at underneath the hood and check out the engine bay. If you want to check out those still pictures, look at the underside of this car. You'll see what I'm talking about. Check out the floor pans. Look like it was undercoated. Original dealer may have done it, but check that out in the underside pictures. Check out the engine bay pictures, interior. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you take a look down this passenger side, and you can see those long panels and how straight they are. It does not appear that there's been hardly any, if any, body work done in this car besides that repaint. Riding on newer American racing wheels, the polished aluminum 5-spokes. Uniroyal Tiger Paw radials are also newer to this car. White vinyl top. Mocha cloth interior. Interior looks very original with the exception of that steering wheel cover, which you can take off, purchase this vehicle, do what you would like with it. I thought I'd leave it on there for the next owner to choose. Speaking of next owner, remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a good look at the rear chrome and rear of this car. Again, chrome bright work. Shows very well. That vinyl top is in nice shape. Take a look at the still pictures. You're going to see that carpeting was redone in the trunk. Shows very well back there. Also, fluids recently changed. All of them. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. And again, look at around the wheel wells, the lower rockers. Check that out in the still pictures. But nothing really showing up down there as far as bubbling, anything coming through. Doesn't appear this car was really driven a lot of inclement weather, let's put it that way. And again, look at how straight those long panels are. Vinyl once again, good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Now I can tell you, like I said, AC blows cold. Let me pull that key out so we don't have to listen to the door chime. That also works. I don't know if that's necessarily good or bad. Take a look at the door panels. Again, cloth bench seat. Cloth in nice shape front and rear, and you can see that more in the still pictures. Headliner also in good shape. AM radio works. Clock even works in this. Wipers work. Let's fire it up so you can hear it run. That's going to be your fasten seatbelt chime. That'll go off in a second. Take a look at the clock. That is working. Radio. Turn that on.
Available premium audio system.
That also works. I am in a building, so I may not get the best reception. Wipers, once again, wipers are working fine. Gauges also appear to work. Fuel gauge came up. Now there's the miles, 83,243. believed to be original. I would definitely believe this car has 83,000 on it, over 183,000. No doubt in my mind. Very original looking car. And you're going to see that here in a bit when we open up the hood and check out that engine bay. Alright. Nicely that door closes. There you go. A little rumble coming out of that 351. Good sounding exhaust, no doubt. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Now, look at how clean and tidy this engine bay is. Again, look at the inner fenders across the other side of the engine there. AC's been converted from the R112. Again, does blow cold. Big new master cylinder back there. Just not much for erosion, rust, anything like that. Just an extremely clean engine bay. Don't be afraid to get in this one and go. This will be a fun one. Turn the key, go have some fun in your classic. You can get into this without breaking the bank too, with a lot of the classic cars and the values going up. 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7. It's a beauty. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.